In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clipchamp for video editing, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to bring your footage in, shape your story with trims and cuts, add text, music, and visual polish, then export a clean, finished video. Start by launching Clipchamp, either from the Windows app or right in your browser. From the home screen, you can create a new video to start from scratch. If you already have a clip in Windows Explorer, you can also right-click it and choose Edit with Clipchamp to jump straight into the editor. Inside the editor, look to the left for your media. That's where you import your own footage, images, and audio from your computer or connected cloud storage like OneDrive. If you need extras, open the content library to browse stock footage, music, sound effects, and GIFs. This is great for filling gaps, adding B-roll, or finding a clean background track. Once your files are in the media bin, drag them down to the timeline at the bottom. This is your workspace where you arrange clips in the order they'll appear. You can add as many as you need and stack supporting elements on separate tracks. To tighten your edit, click any clip and use the purple handles at its ends to trim. Drag inward to remove unwanted moments or outward to reveal more. Take your time here. Small trims can make pacing feel crisp and intentional. For precise edits, move the playhead, the vertical line on the timeline, to the exact moment you want to cut. Then click the scissors icon to split the clip into two pieces. This is perfect for isolating a section you want to adjust independently. Need to change the story flow? Just drag and drop clips on the timeline to rearrange them. Shuffling segments can quickly improve clarity and keep viewers engaged. To add titles or captions, open the Text tab, pick a style, and drag it above your video track on the timeline. In the preview, double-click the text to edit wording, then adjust its size and position so it's readable without covering key visuals. For sound, pull music or effects from the content library and drop them onto an audio track below your video. Align audio with your visuals to support transitions and key moments. Select any clip to open the Properties panel and apply filters or adjust color settings like contrast and saturation. Subtle changes can unify shots and improve overall tone. To smooth scene changes, drag a transition from the library between two clips on the timeline. Test a few options to match your video's style. When you're happy, click Export. Choose a quality setting that fits your use case. Higher resolutions look better, but create larger files. Finally, pick where to save, such as cloud storage or a direct download, and your video is ready to share.